Hi, this is Alyssa from the Air Sponge Filter Company, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your pleated material in your snap frame. The first thing we will do is carefully lift up the top of the frame and lay that in front of the frame. Then we're going to take the used filter and carefully roll it up so nothing releases into the air. And we're going to take this and carefully throw it into the trash receptacle. Now we're going to take our new filter pad, place it on top of the frame, and bring the bottom one over so it snaps together. And your filter's ready to go in. Thanks for watching and have a great day.